Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. I'm TJ. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have our closet. The last video was the linen closet. Now we're going to the opposite side to the closet. This is what I have drawn up right here. I don't know if you can pick that up, but that's the idea of this right here. So I went ahead, I got everything cut out already. These are going to be the shelves. These are going to be the face frames, and this is going to be like the lower support for the lower shelf. So I plan on having a shelf right here above this opening. That opening is for exhaust fans for electronic cabinet at a later date. But I went ahead, already did the hole for that. So right now I just have to get the shelf lined up to where I want it. Above that, hanger rod eventually will be here, and then the lower shelf somewhere down there, and then like a divider right here, because I'm thinking I have like a laundry basket to sit in that space right there. So that should be good. And I already went ahead, I already have all my pocket holes, everything's all set, ready to go. So all I have to do right now is just go ahead and assemble everything. So I'm gonna get everything, I'm gonna get the face frames assembled, or I'm gonna get the face frame pieces attached to the shelves. There we go. And then I'm gonna put the shelves up and get that stuff lined up. We're gonna get this assembled today. And then like I left like space, like you'll see like once it's up, there's like a gap. I plan on probably trying to have like an accordion door that kind of goes in between like this wall and this wall, so I'll be able to close it off. But like I'm a little unsure on that. But I definitely I want to do an accordion door like here between these two posts right here. So yeah, so let me get the face frames attached and let's get these shelves put up so you can have a better visual. So yeah. boom, bada bing, it's in, it's installed, it's finished, it's done. As done as I want it to be for this video. As you can see, we have our top shelf. We have our lower shelf right here, our divider. Hopefully I can find a laundry hamper. I think I have one that will fit like in this area. And I'm still open to expand this. Like I could add like another shelf here, and this could just be like for like shoes. So I have like a couple little shoe racks. And then right here we could just have like some baskets for like socks, underwear, t-shirts, just like folded up. It'll probably be a basket would be the best idea, so we have this lip to catch stuff from like falling out. So that should be good. And then I do plan on doing a hanger rod. That'll probably be on the next video. And we have our clearance for our exhaust fan for our electronic cabinet, so that'll blow in here. And then also like you take advantage of like the exhaust fan right here. It's a little overboard. That's what I do. But anyways, we're done for this video. I'm pleased with like the progress and how everything is coming together. It's definitely looking good. And as I build, I'm creating more space, less clutter, and that's always a plus. But yeah, so I do appreciate you. So until next Wednesday, have it well built, overbuilt rather than underbuilt. Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Peace, TJ.